you might be funding the lawyers for Apex Trader Funding, for ATF, for the Futures Prop Firm. That's right. Take a look at this. Before we get into the meat of it, take a look at this. I am not making this up. They are currently going through a lawsuit, and I definitely want you to be informed. You can see the parties. I will leave this link in the description so that you could take a look at this for yourself. This is not something that I'm making up. It's not Photoshop. The link is in the description. And by the way, like this video right now. Right now, take a moment. Like it real quick because this will get to other traders. If you like it, the algorithm will show it to them. If you guys don't like it, the algorithm will not show it to them. And they will not be aware of the risk, the additional risk that they're taking right now. You guys are not just taking risk trading. You're taking risk by trading with Apex. Now, I'm not saying there is anything necessarily funny going on, but you do have to be aware of what's happening right now. So I'm here to bring this news to you. I just found out about it. I'm going through it with you, but I just want you to be aware. My purpose with this channel is to give you the information. I want you to know what's going on in the trading world. I want you to become a better trader. So I have lessons. I have literally, like if you go through my videos, I have lessons on my strategy, supply and demand. I have a bunch of stuff. So I definitely want you to check that stuff out too. But right now, it's all about this lawsuit. So what's going on? Apex Trader Funding is facing a federal lawsuit. And if you're trading with them, as I had said, this might directly impact you. So let's break it down. So a federal case, Riot versus Apex Trader Funding Inc., was filed on December 18th, 2024 in the U.S. District Court for the Western District of Texas. ATF, Apex Trader Funding, along with several individuals associated with the company. Now, these individuals are Brian Worth, Anthony Johnson, John Skelton, and Daryl Martin. They are being sued. Now, the nature of this lawsuit, copyright infringement. This is serious business. Now, if you're not familiar with copyright infringement, it's essentially when one party uses or copies another's intellectual property without permission. The plaintiff in this case, Quasar Trust, seems to be the entity holding the company or the copyrights in question. Whatever Apex allegedly did to land in this situation, it was enough for Quasar to take legal action in federal court. Now let's talk about Apex Trader Funding. Apex, as I mentioned at the beginning, is a prop firm company. Now they have become pretty popular in the trading community, especially for futures traders. Now they fund traders who pass their evaluations, and they have attracted a lot of attention in the prop firm space. But this isn't their first time dealing with legal troubles. There have been other lawsuits. There definitely have been other lawsuits and allegations over the years accusing Apex of fraudulent practices. This latest lawsuit only adds to the scrutiny that they're facing. So, what happens next? Well, the defendants, now that's Apex and the named individuals, they will need to respond to the lawsuit. This case will move into the discovery phase where both sides gather evidence. If it doesn't settle, it could go all the way to trial. And let's be honest, trials can be expensive. This is where you or your funding might come into play, especially if Apex uses company resources. Resources funded by traders like you, and this is to cover legal costs. I'm not saying they are doing that. This is always a possibility. With any company, any platform company that faces legal battles, this is something that may happen. Now, for traders currently working with Apex, this could mean disruptions down the line. If the lawsuit gains traction or results in significant penalties, Apex operations could be affected. And if you're thinking of signing up with them, this lawsuit is definitely something to keep in mind. Again, I want all traders to be thinking long term. If you're just thinking about getting a payout, and it's gonna get difficult, it's gonna get like you have to pass their challenge, you have to go through all that process. So imagine this. Imagine it takes you 6 months to pass the challenge or 3 months, and you're working hard, and forget about how much you're paying them. Just think about the time that you're putting into this. And then 3 to 6 months down the line, this lawsuit turns out to be very negative for the company. Now you're being affected because you didn't think it through. I'm not saying don't sign up. This is just, you have to think about everything that you're doing with your trading career. So I just want you to remember one thing. This is not about fear mongering. It's not about that. But I do want to hear from you. Are you trading with Apex? Have you noticed anything unusual? Or do you think this lawsuit is just another bump in the road for them? Let me know in the comments. What do you think about this? Did you know about this lawsuit? If you know anything about it, let us know in the comments. Give us details. I don't have all of the details. I will do my best to keep up with this news and share with you what I learned about it along the way. But we have it here. You're looking at it. I mean, we have information here. I will be looking at this stuff. I will be sharing with you what I learned about it. Like I said, like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you could get every video that I post. My goal, like I said, with this channel is to help traders not just get funded, but just get money from the markets. I don't care if you do it by getting funded. I don't care if you do it by having your own live account. I don't care how you do it. I just want you to get to the bag. And for some people, that might be through a prop firm. For others, it might be with their live account. So I'm never going to tell you exactly what route to pick. I just want you to get to the money. And I will do my best. I'm sharing, like in my channel, I have resources. I have my strategy, supply and demand. I share that. It's all free. All of my knowledge is free. Now, if you're already trading, or if you went through my content and you want to join my Discord because you want to get my setups every day when I post, if you want to be part of the traders community that I'm building, join the Discord. If you don't like it, just bounce. You're not going to be held hostage. But I definitely want you to give us a chance. Give us a try. See if that community is for you, because it might be the thing that helps everything click for you. Like once you see how we trade, it might just click for you. So definitely join the Discord and let me know in the comments any questions that you have. Let me know.